Shit, see me and my brothers, you know we gonna bring the vibe. Is she riding? Wanna get a taste of the icing. Committing up the paper, cannot handle what I'm writing. You see me up above, the way I'm shining, man, it's blinding. Pretty face in the place, yeah, into talking. Pussy chase, not a trace, galley sugar walking. Not in a race, so the man are crawling. Baddest here in the passy, I swear she got me stalling. She got me losing control. It's like my shit is polyfiller, cause I fill in the holes. Back off, I take a picture with my chicken, she pose. She wearing makeup, but she has to take it off in my clothes. I'm about to make it, ain't nobody making me quit. Killing all the rhythm, so make that you broke, can't commit. I swear to God, man, I ain't hitting any women, but she wanna get to bed, so I be booting up, go swell up a clit. When I serve one, don't get it returned on. Can say that I'm a switch, you know I'm turning on her turn-ons. Destroying every single beat your boy's words on. She pulling on my leg, but only does it on the third one. I aim the trigger on a rhythm, you're on safety. She told me she's a lover, not a loser, call her Tracy. And jealousy has got a lot of brothers trying to hate me. I hit 'em with the flow and now they say they rate me. Filling up my cup a bit of Henny, get